Having the right dash cam can completely change your driving experience. So, we break down 5 best dash cameras on the market for this year based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in, so if you're interested in finding out which dash cam will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which dash cameras you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, ThiEYE Dual Lens Dash Cam. The ThiEYE 3.0-inch Dash Cam Dual Lens. This dash cam promises 1080 pixel HD recording, motion detection, and much more. The ThiEYE Dash Cam Dual Lens is equipped with a real 1080 pixel Full HD front camera, delivering high-resolution videos and images. The 3.0-inch HD screen ensures a clear display, allowing users to review footage with ease. The simultaneous recording capability with the front and rear cameras provides comprehensive coverage. This feature is particularly valuable in high-speed driving situations where capturing key moments is crucial. The dash cam's ability to clearly show license plates, vehicle makes, models, and roadway signage makes it a reliable witness in case of disputes or insurance claims. One of the standout features of the ThiEYE dash cam is its near 360 degrees full protection. With a 170 degrees front-facing camera and a 130 degrees rear-facing camera, this device covers up to 3 lanes, reducing blind spots and ensuring high visibility of surrounding events. The HDR, high dynamic range, technology enhances image detail and color, making it especially useful in scenes with shadows or bright areas. This feature ensures that even in challenging lighting conditions, the footage remains clear and detailed. The ThiEYE dash cam excels in low-light performance, ensuring stunning 1080 pixel HD recording at all times. The built-in GPS monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. This feature is crucial for tracking the exact location of an accident, aiding in roadside assistance and insurance claims. Additionally, the dash cam offers 24-hour parking surveillance. The built-in G sensor detects sudden shakes or collisions while the car is stationary, automatically starting recording to capture any potential incidents. Loop recording is another essential feature of the ThiEYE dash cam. It ensures that new recordings automatically overwrite older footage when the memory card reaches full capacity. This means you'll never miss out on capturing important moments due to a full memory card. The combination of advanced features like motion detection, low-light performance, and high-definition recording makes the ThiEYE dash cam dual lens a reliable and efficient choice for any driver looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and security. 4th product on our list, GMAIPOP 4K Dash Cam for Car. The GMAIPOP Dash Cam for Cars, an impressive 4K Wi-Fi camera that promises top-notch performance for both front and rear recording. The GMAIPOP Dash Cam records in Ultra 2160 pixel for the front and Full HD 1080 pixel for the rear or inside. This means it captures incredibly clear and detailed videos, day or night, providing crucial evidence in case of an accident. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to easily access videos through an app on your iOS or Android device, making it convenient to view, download, and share footage on social media. This dash cam is designed to withstand extreme weather, thanks to its heat-resistant build with adequate ventilation. The seamless loop recording feature ensures that the camera never stops recording, as it automatically overwrites the oldest videos when the memory card is full. Additionally, the G sensor detects bumps and locks the video for evidence, so it won't be overwritten. The 24-hour parking monitor captures footage at 1 to 3 frames per second, conserving memory while providing continuous surveillance. The dash cam also excels in low-light conditions with its advanced sensor, 170 degrees wide-angle lens, and HDR function, ensuring clear night recordings. Plus, you can install the small rear camera on the front or rear windshield, depending on your preference. The GMAIPOP Dash Cam includes both adhesive and suction mounts for flexible installation. For a more secure attachment, use the electrostatic film between the windshield and mount. All in all, the GMAIPOP Dash Cam offers comprehensive features and reliable performance, making it a top choice for any driver. 3rd product on our list, EACE GPS Dash Cam for Car. The EACE 2160 pixel dash cam for cars with GPS, Wi-Fi, and both front and rear 4K cameras. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam, this might be the perfect fit for you. The front camera boasts an impressive 8-megapixel sensor with a 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution at 30 fps, while the rear camera provides a 2-megapixel sensor with a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. With the Sony IMX415 sensor and f1.6 large aperture, this dash cam ensures clear and detailed video, even in low-light conditions. Perfect for nighttime driving. One of the standout features is the Wi-Fi and app control. Using the dedicated app, you can view, play, and manage your dash cam videos in real time on both iOS and Android devices. This means you can easily download your recorded 4K videos directly to your phone or share your travel moments on social media with just one click. Another great feature is the built-in GPS recording. It keeps track of your speed, direction, and coordinates at all times, providing you with crucial evidence in case of an accident. If you're ever pulled over and need proof of your speed, this dash cam has got you covered. Plus, the 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses ensure you capture a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The EACE 2160 pixel dash cam is designed with a magnetic suction mount, making it easy to take off and plug in. Its compact size ensures portability, and the 24-hour parking monitor keeps your car safe at all times. With features like loop recording, a screensaver function, and seamless installation, this dash cam truly stands out. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality dash cam with advanced features, the EACE 2160 pixel dash cam is definitely worth considering. Second product on our list, Azdome M550 Pro Car Dash Cam. The Azdome M550 Pro Car DVR Dash Cam. This 4K dash cam promises top-notch features and performance. The Azdome M550 Pro offers impressive 4K resolution with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection. This means you can download an 800-megapixel video in just 10 seconds. The dash cam supports multiple viewing modes. You can record in 4K front, 4K front plus 1080 pixel rear, or a combination of 2K front with 1080 pixel cabin and rear cameras. With its 3-channel setup, you get full coverage of the front, rear, and even the cabin of your vehicle. This is perfect for capturing every detail of your drive or for adding an extra layer of security. The M550 Pro features IR night vision thanks to the Novatec 8629G processor and advanced sensors. Whether it's day or night, this dash cam delivers clear, detailed video footage. Plus, with the built-in GPS, you can track your speed, route, and location data, which is essential for insurance claims or legal matters. Another great feature is the 24-hour parking monitor. You can choose between collision detection and time-lapse recording. The G sensor locks footage in case of an impact, while time-lapse mode captures continuous footage over extended periods. The dash cam's compact design means it won't obstruct your view. Plus, the magnetic mount makes it easy to remove or reposition as needed. So, is the Azdome M550 Pro worth your investment? With its 4K resolution, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and versatile camera options, it certainly offers a lot of value. Whether you need high-definition video, extensive coverage, or advanced features like GPS and night vision, this dash cam has you covered. First product on our list, ThiEYE A800S 4K UHD Dash Cam. The ThiEYE A800S a front dash cam that records in stunning 4K Ultra HD. This dash cam uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses, an f1.8 aperture, and a Sony IMX415 sensor. The result? Crystal clear and vivid images every time you hit the road. Plus, it supports dual-channel recording, letting you add a rear or interior camera for comprehensive coverage. The A800S excels in low-light conditions thanks to its powerful night vision. It combines an f1.8 aperture lens with 3D dynamic noise reduction technology and a smart AI algorithm. This ensures clear images, no matter the time of day or weather. Safety is a priority with the advanced driver assistance systems, which provide real-time voice alerts about potential hazards. With built-in GPS, the A800S tracks real-time trip data, including time, speed, and location. This is crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The dash cam also features 24-hour parking surveillance. The built-in G sensor detects sudden shakes or collisions, automatically recording any incidents. Time-lapse recording compresses long periods into shorter clips, saving storage space. The ThiEYE A800S offers in-app control and footage sharing via its Wi-Fi. Compatible with iOS and Android, the app lets you view and download HD videos in real time. Loop recording ensures your memory card never runs out of space. For continuous power and parking surveillance mode, use the ThiEYE hardwire kit. The A800S truly is the ultimate dash cam for every driver.